Hey guys, this week is the start of an hour of code week. It's a national movement to draw attention to computer sciences and careers in coding. That's like people working for Google and Facebook and Yahoo and stuff. So to get started, go ahead type in bit.ly/village code, all lowercase, and it's going to take you to this hyperdoc. And this document is going to have a ton of resources for you to get started and learning to code. If you've never done it before, Angry Birds and Flappy Birds or making snowflakes are really, really easy ways to start. Um, all you're doing is you're inputting commands into the computer. So if we went to Flappy Birds, as soon as it loads here, it's going to tell us what we need to do. So when I click, I want the bird to flap. And I also want it to play the wing sound. Then, when I go ahead and run the code, every time I tap, the bird is going to flap. And I'm trying to get him up to the target. Now, there's a whole bunch of different levels, and they progressively get more complicated, but that's kind of the basics. Another really cool one is creating a Pong game using Scratch. Now, Pong is that old game that had the two little paddles and the ball that went doot, doot, doot in between. And here, it's a little bit more complicated. It's going to take you through this tutorial here on exactly what you need to do. I'm going to delete this guy right here. But what we can do is we can go ahead and we can select backdrops. And let me make this a little bit bigger. We can select backdrops. And you can start inputting your code. So I'll create a sprite. I want a little ball. It's going to be a tennis ball. And you'll see the ball appear here. And now, when I click on this ball, all the code's over here. I'm going to have him move 10 steps. And this is going to be when clicked. And this is going to happen forever. And then when I'm ready to play it, I'll go ahead and hit the little green thing, and you'll see the ball now is moving back and forth. Now it stops there, so I'll need to go ahead and I'll need to do if on edge, bounce. And now if I play it, the ball is going to go back and forth. And doing this, then you'll add a paddle and just follow all the instructions right here. When you're all done, you can have something that looks a little bit more like this. Now every time when I run this, that it hits my magic wand, it makes a little boing sound, which I added myself. And when it hits the break dancer, it'll actually play music. So you can make your game do whatever it is that you want. Anyway, good luck everybody, and get started with your hour of code.